Hi guys, welcome back to Cousin Versus.
It's Cousin.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Levi.
And today we're going to be talking about Levi's.
Toys.
So.
Yeah, and also we are talking about my dad's whole...
He's got keepings. Ow!
Yeah.
I just sat on that.
Oh yeah, I also have a crossbow, but it also comes parts. So yeah, let's just get on.
So we're going to set all the toys here.
Yeah.
Jesus.
And I also have two of these.
There's the key rings. So let's talk about the key rings first. So, basically,
Pew pew pew.
you guys should know who that is.
Yeah.
Who is it?
Good.
And what's he from?
Both Guardians and the Gats, and also on
Guardians of the Galaxy 1 and,
And
Volume 2.
and also Infinity War.
Yep. And the second one is a diamond sword from Minecraft.
Yeah. And next is a Minecraft one. And also
And the next one is Steve from Minecraft.
the next one is Creeper for Minecraft.
And let's not do them. This is a bag Levi got when he went to Blackpool Pleasure.
Beats. And also I want that for my birthday and my nana's birthday.
Oh, no, bag inside it.
And I also got that from the second time I went.
The second time he went, he got that.
Yeah. And also I'm a tiki monkey.
We need to talk about this elephant.
Oh yeah, I also called this the amazing elephant because it's an elephant and I love you. My mom got this from Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so bye.
Yeah. There's the next one.
Good. I named him Goodbye. Wow, wait. Oh. Woo. Oh yeah, and also check out my channel. What's Levi While we want to check out George's channel. What's this George's channel? So yeah, we have. Ow, in your beats. Hello, hello, hi, hello. Wait. Oh yeah, I did have that. And. Whoop-boo, whoop-boo. He's from Minecraft and he can also do the splits. So, and it's ready. Oh yeah, I just had this one. Ow. Yeah, that's just a football. And this is a tiny Rubik's Cube. Look how close I can get to it.
But we can't make it go any further. I don't know why.
Yeah,
So.
because that bit won't work. And I always try to solve it, but it won't work.
So yeah. And there's this little candle I've just found and it lights up.
Yeah, that's from like a weird thing where I forgot what it was.
So thanks for watching.
No, wait. And that's also my a fake football, a teddy one. Oh yeah, one more thing to tell about.
Did you just fart?
And a real football. We have
I
finished.
get bullied. Okay, thanks for watching Cousin Versus.
It's Cousin.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Levi.
So thanks for watching. Bye.